A particle moves along straight line so that its displacement in meters from a fixed point is s is equals to t cube plus 3t square plus 4t plus 5. Find the acceleration after 4 seconds. Okay na? So this kind of problems very important in kinematics. Okay na? So a particle moves along straight line. So there is a particle moves along a straight line so that its displacement, given displacement equation. So displacement equation S is equals to, so our displacement field or displacement equation. So in terms of time is given. So t cube plus 3t square plus 4t plus 5. 4t plus 5. Find the acceleration. So we need to find acceleration, generally denoted by small a, at acceleration at t is equals to 4 or 5, 4 seconds. At t is equal to 4 seconds. So here particle moving along some straight line. Okay, there is a particle, it moves along the straight line. We need to find acceleration of that particle when time period t is equal to 4 seconds. అంటే 4 seconds దగ్గర ఓకేనా దాని యాక్సిలరేషన్ ఎంత ఉంది. ఇక్కడ పార్టికల్ మూవ్ అవుతుంది కదా, సో యాక్సిలరేషన్ ఉంటుంది ఆబ్వియస్లీ. సో అట్ t ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4 seconds దగ్గర దీని యాక్సిలరేషన్ ఎంత, ఓకేనా, అది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో బిఫోర్ దాట్ లెట్స్ రీకాల్ సమ్ బేసిక్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వాట్ ఈస్ వెలాసిటీ? So velocity v is equal to rate of change of displacement with respect to time. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement with respect to time. So then velocity is given by ds by dt. So ds by dt means rate of change of displacement with respect to time. Then what about acceleration? Acceleration a is equal to rate of change of velocity with respect to time, dv by dt. So very important formulas. V is equal to velocity, v is equal to ds by dt, and a is equal to dv by dt. So see, ds by dt means rate of change of displacement with respect to time. So d for derivative, we have to apply derivative here. Okay, acceleration a is equal to rate of change of velocity with respect to time. So derivative of displacement with respect to time, derivative of velocity with respect to time. So to find acceleration, first of all we need velocity equation or velocity field. Okay, first velocity equation కావాలి కదా. So let us use this formula. V is equal to ds by dt. First find velocity. So ఇక్కడ v రావాలంటే ఫస్ట్ మనకి velocity కావాలి కాబట్టి ఈ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. So using this formula first we can find velocity field or velocity equation. d by dt, yes, s means displacement. Here displacement field is t cube plus 3t square plus 4t plus 5. 4t plus 5. So in differentiation we have some formulas in derivative. D by dx of x power n. What is the formula? N into x power n minus 1. So derivative of x power n is equals to n into x power n minus 1. I'm going to use this formula here. See. First distribute. Apply distributive property here. And remember, derivative of constant is 0. First, v is equal to d by dt of t cube plus, here 3 is constant term. Here 3 is constant. So take out constant out of the derivative. 3 into d by dt of t square plus, Here 4 is also a constant. Take out 4 out of the derivative. So here product of constant and variable is there. Apply derivative for variable t d by dt of t x plus. So this is constant. So d by dt of some constant. Okay. So variable constant ఉంటే కాన్స్టెంట్ ని బయటికి తీసుకొచ్చి వేరియబుల్ కి డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయాలి. ఓన్లీ కాన్స్టెంట్ ఉంటే ఆ కాన్స్టెంట్ గా మనం చేస్తాం ఇప్పుడు. ఓకే, v is equal to d by dt of t cube. It's like d by dx into x cube. It's like d by dx into x cube. D by dt into t cube. What is the formula? D by dx of here you can write formula like this. D by in terms of t you can write d by dt of d by dt of t power n into t power n minus 1. So d by dt of t cube ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ? d by dt of t cube. So t cube means 3 into where n is equal to 3. 3 into t power 3 minus 1. See. D by dt of t cube means what is the answer? See. Here d by dt of t power n means n into t power n minus 1. Here n is equal to 3. It means 3 into t power n minus 1. 3 minus 1. You will get 3 into t square. 3 into t square. So 3t square here plus 3 into d by dt of t square. D by dt of t square means d by dt of t square. N into t power n minus 1. You will get 2t. 2t. You will get 2t. So 3 into 2t plus 4 into d by dt of t 1. D by dt of t 1 or dt cancel 1 plus derivative of constant. Remember derivative of constant is 0. Therefore velocity field v is equal to 3t square plus 6t plus 4. This is equation of velocity in terms of time. Okay. Using this velocity equation or velocity field, we can find acceleration. Okay. So now acceleration a is equal to dv by dt. Acceleration a is equal to dv by dt. D by dt of what is v? 3t square plus 6t plus 4. Okay, now apply derivative for this expression. You will get the acceleration equation. Okay, so equation of acceleration. Okay, now acceleration a is equal to d by dt of d by dt, so into 3t square plus d by dt into 6t plus d by dt of 4. Okay, now a is equal to, so derivative of product of constant and variable. Here constant 3. So 3 is constant. Take out 3 out of the derivative. D by dt into t square plus, here 6 is constant. Take out 6 from the derivative. D by dt of t plus d by derivative of constant. So it does not change. Derivative of constant is 0. 3 into d by dt of t square. T square derivative 2t plus 6 into d by dt of t means 1. 6 into 1. So you will get 60 plus 6. 60 plus 6. This is equation of acceleration. So ఇప్పుడు మనకి equation of acceleration వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏం కావాలి? Acceleration at t is equal to 4 seconds. Put t is equal to 4. A is equal to 6 into 4 plus 6. 6 4s are 24 plus 6. So how much? 24 plus 6 is 30 meter per second square. Acceleration units, SI units, meter per second square. Therefore acceleration of the particle at t is equal to 4 seconds is 30 meter per second square. Inta acceleration to adi move avutundi particle 4 seconds దగ్గర. Okay, so this is the procedure to find this type of problems. Okay.